I remember a few years back in school, and a young lad wanted to say, "I'd like one." So I said, "Well, give it a go yourself." And he got to hoffwney. He decided to use hoffwney for "I would like." There are a few other ways of doing it. And then he got stuck. He said, "Well, sir, I've got 'I would like.'" I said, "I would like one." And I said, well, what's one? And he said, "Well, een." I said, "But that can't be it, can it?" But it was. It was simpler than he thought. And sometimes we overthink what we're trying to say, especially when we translate into Welsh. In that case, using een was really simple. But it can get quite complex, actually, using een. So een itself works a little bit like meaning the. So just like will softly mutate any feminine singular nouns, like gath, the cat. If I were to say one cat, I'd also say een gath, cause the same mutation. So that's quite nice to remember. We can also use it as to say the same. Yr un peth, the same thing, the one thing. Yr un peth, the same thing. Yr un, the same one. Mae gen i'r un. Or mae da fi'r un. I've got the same one. We can also use it for each. So pint yr un, a pound each. Or un yr un, one each. So if we gave things out or something, we were handing things out in a class. Un yr un, one each. Finally, you may know any as unrhyw, but we can also use yr un in this case as well. It tends to be more of a northwestern thing, but you'll hear it across Wales. So my wife informs me that we can say, sgen i'r un ounce o fynedd. I haven't got any ounce of patience. Sgen i'r un ounce o fynedd. So that's quite a cool way of using it too. Un, one, bonkers.